Hello everyone. Today I am here to present my investigatory model and it is regarding biology subject which I have got idea from class 11th agriculture science and technology Maharashtra State Board. Here what I actually did, this is my project arrangement where I have arranged some part for the crops production, some part of the trees is there, and liquid waste is also there, and as well as solid waste is there. Home and domestic waste is connected with the liquid waste, and the outlet is also connected, the both the waste areas. And this crops field is also there, both the crops field, some sort of other type of crops is also there, and animal farming area is there. Their food, animal food is there. Then animal farming area is also connected with the solid waste area. Then the solar cooker part is there, and in between you can see a red color container, that is a collection of water. And this is the arrangement here. With the help of two thermocol pieces, I have made these two waste areas in order to collect some little bit amount of liquid waste also and the solid waste. Then what I did actually, I have covered this plastic pipe, the whole area of this agriculture field, and the whole agriculture, throughout this agriculture, it is easy to flow, to give the flow, proper flow for the water which goes and comes around, and collect the water in this container. Whatever amount of water will be used for this field and for crops, it will be used. And after that, the certain amount of water which is also can be collected from the rain and from other sources of the water bodies, it also will circulate in a same manner. And this water we can also use for the larger part of agricultural field at a time. So basically, why I choose this type of project and what is the aim of my project is, first one is to examine the crops distribution, agricultural activities with the cropping pattern. Then second one, it is the different crops production in the same place. The third one, it is how it helps for everyone, especially in rural areas. Then the fourth one, the crops is not uniform, how it can be improved. If the crops is same crop is not in particular agricultural field, there are different type of crops. As you can see in my the model, I have arranged the different type of crops at a play at a same place. Then how it will improve the this productivity of the soil or for agriculture process. Then water and waste can be recycled from this or not. Then how could achieve the business or economic status of a country, how it can be improved. And it also gives an idea about the geographical nature. Then the material I used, I have already talked about it. The material, it is the simple material, the thermocol is there, decorative paper is there, green paper is there. And then this is of course with the artificial type of plants is there. I have tried to show the agricultural field, and I also tried it with the growth of the natural plant also, which I will explain with the picture in a further explanation. Then animal farming area is there, then the fodder part is there. And here they have connected this animal farming area with the solid waste, and the solar cooker area is also there, container part is there. Now basically my topic is production of medicinal plant and water management from agricultural waste. The whatever the solid waste I have prepared for improving in based on the idea of this the soil fertility, I use the tea leaves, the coffee, because it is having some sort of protein content in it, and the nitrogen, phosphorus, these the rare minerals in it. And the vegetable peels is there, especially I took the lemon peel, orange peel, papaya peel, potato peel, cucumber peel. So and some little bit pieces of the eggshells also, they'll be having some sort of calcium. And I try to just see whether or observe that whether the plant will be able to grow or able to maintain their condition or position in that type of waste or not. Liquid waste, obviously the little bit I have the cow dung and with the soil, the whatever the waste is coming out from the uh, domestic waste, that is I have used little bit. Then after that, what happened, the advantages, whatever I the output I got, it is actually not very expensive, possible for the production of medicinal plant. Especially I took the medicinal plant production, so it is possible, and natural and important nutrient can be produced. Proper management of waste is also is there, I have seen. Then I got idea for that, the how we can manage the waste in a proper way, so that the particular area will be clean for the longer time, less time consuming. It is not very expensive, and less time if it is consuming, if the farmers is willing to work for in this manner only for the long time, then it will take less time only, and helps in improving economical status. And it is very important for the safe for the saving our environment. Everywhere it is possible, as in the diagram of India I have shown all sort of the soil, wherever the black soil is available, red soil is there. Then different type of mountain, in mountain area there are different type of condition of for the soil is there. Then water is easily recycled for the production of medicinal plants, so it is possible for everywhere. Maybe it will take some time to grow this type of, but it depends on how much time we are giving to improve these type of things. Based on that only, but it is possible everywhere. Now here with the solid waste, what happens, this the I have tried with the solid waste the growth of this neem plant. The neem I chose the neem plant because neem is having high value of the uh, medicinal content in it. And with that, what I did, I tried with the stem part of the neem, and I uh, just tried to grow this plant in the solid waste whatever I have prepared with the mixture of those minerals content in it. And with the 15 to 20 days, the it shows its condition like that only, whatever it is looking like in this picture. So this is a thing, so it means that it shows and this what this soil content will be having the mineral content for the growth of the plant, so it is possible. Now this is the arrangement of the water. For the water I have connected this pipe, and through this pipe, after using the particular amount of water, or the whatever the required amount of water used for this soil and for this production of this plant, then the other the whatever the remaining part of water is there or will be there, that will also will recycle, and it will go inside this liquid waste container itself, or else it will come out from the other part which I have connected through another pipe. And I try to show it from the other ways, which we can also provide in a same at the same time for other agricultural field. So this is a way how it will work. Now now here, this is the arrangement where I have shown here. This is the same thing. This is for other pipe arrangement, how we can connect it with the other agricultural field at the same time. So in within a given time, within at the same time or the less time, the water can be reaches out the larger part of the rural area. So this is a thing. Now here you can see that this connection from other side also I took picture. So this is from other side. And then working also I have explained in further explanation. Then this is my chart. I have explained my output also, and I got this idea because the soil health, how to improve the soil condition. Because uh, if we compare our human being health with the soil health, it will be the same for the production. If we talk about the production of what this plant, they also require the healthy soil. So in order to improve those type of soil condition, what we can do, in order that I use the solid waste and the liquid waste for agricultural process. Basically, I took idea for the agricultural process only. Then this is the arrangement with this chart. And this is all about my project, and the working system also I have explained further. This is till now whatever the idea and whatever I have prepared. So this is a basic information whatever I have got, and I have arranged my model. This is the arrangement of my project, where I have arranged a area for waste, for the liquid waste, and which is connected with the home and collected as a domestic waste. Then crop area is there, one more area for the plant tree is there. This liquid waste water is connected throughout the pipe, and which will come which will ultimately give this water to these crops areas. And these are the artificial some sort of plant is there, which I tried to show in this project, which we can grow at a time in this agricultural, through this agricultural process at a time and at the same place. Then here the animal farming area is there, which will they'll be having their food as a fodder. And then here I have tried to connect this animal or this solid waste part, which is connected through this area where the animal farming is there, and the solid part, the solid waste which is mixed with the soil. I have tried it with the solid waste, that is all sort of vegetable peels, and with that I have tried to mix with the coffee and the tea leaves after usage part. Then I tried to grow the stem part of this neem plant, which from 15 to 20 days it shows its same as it is this type of condition whatever it is looking in this video, as it is like that. So it means the soil will be having some sort of mineral or content which helps soil for its productivity in order to grow these sort of medicinal plant. Then this solar cooker is here. Solar cooker I just put it here because agricultural farmers have to spend their most of the times in this work only. So based on, because of the natural resources, that is the sun or solar part, they can get the natural food. So simply I put it here because the solar cooker is a simple process only. Then here one more area for the medicinal plant, and then throughout this pipe connection is there. This is from this area, then it is coming from here. This is through and through the continuous connection it is there. Then it is coming here through this one container is there, which all the liquid waste will collected here, and the rainwater is also managed by this type of process. Some sort of, if amount of water is used by this type of arrangement, then other part of the water also we can recycle through this process. And from here you can see also one sort of connection and how it will work, because this water, if we give the some sort of pressure, the water will come out in this part. And because this is a small model and I am giving a less pressure, so it is coming a less amount of water. If it is more pressure is there, then more amount of water is coming. And through this connection of the pipe, one more pipe is there, water pipe, that is it is coming out here. I kept it here like this only because through this arrangement we can also give the water or provide water in other part of the agricultural field, which will be having the same sort of arrangement what I have shown here for the medicinal plant and for their production. And through this solid waste, it is having a connection with the animal farming area. Through this whatever the solid will come out, it also helps in the soil fertility. And these are the blue parts having a water area. This is means whenever we are making the crop agricultural field in a different parts, if we try to construct in a uniform manner, it will distribute the water in a same amount for the soil and for the plant also. So this is a kind of arrangement which I try to show it here, and the working system of this water.